Let's see how the benchtop photometer works. It can measure the color for reflection and transmission for high accuracy. Behind the instrument are power switch, DC power port, USB port, print board. Press the power switch to warm to turn on. This is the transmissive measure port. This is the reflection aperture. There are indicator light, measuring button, and a touch screen. You can click at will. We first test the reflective materials. Enter the main menu. We can see the different functions. Click the measurement mode. Select reflective or transmissive. We select reflective measure and set the corresponding parameters according to your requirement. We can also select the color space and the color index for what we want to use. And then we do the calibration. This is the reflective trap. Put the reflective trap to the reflective aperture. Press the measuring button. After black calibration, it will prompt you to white calibration. Put the white plate clean to the reflective aperture. Press the measuring button. Then we enter the standard measuring interface. Put the standard sample to the reflective aperture. Press the measuring button. The button makes a beep sound until the indicator flashing stops, indicating the measurement is completed. We can see the title is a standard interface. The corresponding standard serial number. At the left side, it is a shortcut display. It could switch different modes by pressing different icons. At the middle, it displays the different chromatic data, the LAB value. Switch to the sample. Switch to the sample measurement interface. Put the sample to the aperture. Press the measuring button. It displays the testing result, more white, more green, and more yellow. The delta is the result is fair. And touch the down icon. It displays the interface of reflectance rate spectrum. Then we test the transmissive materials. Enter the main menu. Click the measure mode. Click the reflective or transmissive. Select transmissive measure. We need to do the calibration again. When test the transmissive material, the reflective white plate should be attached to the reflective aperture. And we do the calibration again. Place the transmission black plate into transmissive sample port. This is a transmissive black plate. Click it to the side of the integrating sphere tightly. Close the bin over. Click the measuring key to start calibration. After finish the black calibration, we take out the black plate. Keep the bin empty, close the bin over, press test key to start white calibration. Next, we measure the transmissive materials. Enter the measuring interface. We place the standard into transmission sample bin and click it to the side of integrating sphere. Close the bin over. Press the measuring key. The test results are shown. And switch to the sample measurement interface. Put another sample to the transmissive bin. Close it over and press the measuring button. Now we can see the result. Delta E is the total difference of the color, and the result is a pass. Okay, thank you for your patience.